Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher D.
Okay, I'm Teacher D and I'm going to have your IELTS speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so before we start, could you please introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is Cherry. I'm 12 years old. Right now, I'm studying at Hudson Primary and Secondary School.
Okay, thank you, Cherry. Okay, Cherry, for part one of the test, it's all about some familiar topics that I will be asking you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Cherry, what type of jewelry do you like best?
I reckon I like all kinds of jewelries, but maybe my favorite one is bracelet because I think it's beautiful and is our type at my age.
Okay, when do people like to give jewelry in your country?
In my country, like for instance, my dad always give my mom jewelry when there are her birthday or there's a party that my mom is the main people character.
The main character or on any other special occasions
Yes.
that your mom's involved.
Yeah.
Okay, and have you ever given jewelry to someone as a gift?
Unfortunately, no. I'm just a child and I can't afford to buy a jewelry myself.
Okay, but if you're given a chance to give someone a jewelry, what jewelry would it be? What kind of jewelry would it be?
I reckon it's maybe a necklace because for necklace is maybe the famous type for older people, and for younger people like me, I prefer to buy like a bracelet.
All right, thank you, Cherry. Now let's proceed with part two. Okay, Cherry, for part two, you're going to describe an interesting TV program you watched about a science topic. You should say what science topic this TV program was about, when you saw this TV program, what you learned from this TV program about a science topic, and explain why you found this TV program interesting. Okay? Now I'll be giving you a cue card, a paper, and a pen for you to take down notes, and you will be given 1 minute to prepare. Okay? Ready?
Okay.
1 minute starts now. Okay, Cherry, time's up. Okay, now Cherry, you are now given 2 minutes to discuss the topic. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, start now.
Okay, I have watched many interesting TV programs because, but some of it are science topic, and the one that I remember that remains me is maybe astronomy because it's maybe my favorite types of the science topic. And I saw this TV program months ago because in the evening because that is only the time I can watch TV. My dad is, I work, so I can watch as much as I can. And I learned many things from this TV program is that many, but the major thing is about that I can learn about the space and maybe the minority one is maybe that I can learn about that some stars are listed at, in the TV program. And I found this science topic interesting because maybe I can learn many things like some stars, name of the stars, and the model of the like Gemini and so on. Yes.
Okay, is there anything you'd like to add?
No.
No. All right, thank you, Cherry. Now let's proceed to part three. Cherry, for these questions will be related to topic in part two. Okay? Cherry, how interested are most people in your country in science?
I reckon that in my country, like 80% of them are interested in science because they they found out in science there are many things, lot of information to learn it. And for instance, at like my dad, and he like he's found in science, but he teaches math, but he wants to learn science because is wide information of science in the world. So he prefers
All
science.
right, thank you, Cherry. And why do you think children today might be better at science than their parents?
So that is a thought-provoking question. So I think that children nowadays have the opportunities than their parents at their time because in my parents' time is no technological yes technological like Wi-Fi to use, and nowadays like for example me, I can use IE for the other essay or the homeworks I need.
All right, so you mean children today have more opportunities, right? Because
Yes.
technology wasn't that very developed before than now.
Yeah.
Okay, and Cherry, one last question. Do you agree or disagree that there are no more major scientific discoveries left to make?
Can you repeat that again,
Of
please?
course, do you agree or disagree that there are no more scientific discoveries left to make? Do you think there is still much or more to be discovered?
Yeah, I think there is more to discover because we aren't 100% of discovering the ocean like in the caves or in the space. And yes, it's like that. Yeah,
Okay, you want to add more?
maybe it's because nowadays scientist is maybe still learning some discovery, some more discoverable things in the world and also in the space. Yeah.
All right, so that's the end of your speaking test. Thank you, Cherry.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, goodbye.